Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening PowerPoint and selecting a template or a blank slide. This sets the visual baseline. Next, set slide size. Choose 16:9 for screens or 4:3 for older projectors, because proportions matter. Once done, save immediately and enable auto-save if available. Make sure you pick a clear folder and file name so you can find it later. This avoids lost work and speeds up collaboration. Now you have a stable file and a correct canvas to build on. Now you craft the core content. Open Slide Master to define fonts, color palette, and placeholder layout so every slide matches. Then add your content, paste text, insert images and charts, and use Align and guides for consistent spacing because precise layout looks professional. Apply simple transitions and subtle animations. Avoid excess, since too many effects distract. Once arranged, rehearse timings in slideshow, or use rehearse timings to sync speech to slides. This ensures flow and avoids frantic pace during the presentation. Finish by proofreading and running the slideshow from the beginning to catch layout or timing issues. Make sure you test on the intended display because colors and size can shift. Export as PDF or MP4 when sharing. Select embed fonts if recipients need exact typography. If media fails, package the presentation or embed files via File Export Package. Relink any broken images. If audio or fonts still act up, restart PowerPoint, update links, and test again. This fixes most glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.